Hello and welcome to this video about tree diagrams. So in this question we've got a bag containing 3 blue balls and 5 red balls. So altogether we've got 8 balls in some bag and we're going to select 2 of them at random. So we're going to have a first pick and then we're going to have a second pick. And we're going to represent that on a tree diagram. So the first pick, either we can pick red, and because there are 5 out of 8, the probability that we put on the branch is 5 out of 8, or we pick blue, and that's 3 out of 8. And then on the second pick, we have the same 2 options. We can either pick red, and now we've already taken one of the red balls, so there are 4 left out of the total left, which is 7. Or we could pick blue that time, and we've still got 7 left there, but we've got all 3 of the blue ones still there, so it'll be 3 out of 7. And then if we picked blue for the first time, then we could then pick red. There are still 5 reds left out of the total of 7. Or we could pick blue, and there are going to be 2 left out of 7. Now, to differentiate between the first pick and the second pick, we're going to call, if you pick red the first time, it's R1, and if you pick blue the first time, it's B1, and then that's going to be R2, B2, R2, B2. And here we're looking for the probability that they are both blue. So we want the probability of B1 and B2. So basically we want to do this and then this, because there's only one way that we can pick blue and then blue. And so the probability, we multiply along the branches. We're going to be multiplying this and this. So it's going to be 3 over 8 multiplied by 2 over 7, which is going to be, well, we could cancel that, so that'll be 3/4, so it's going to be 3 over 28. Okay, now we want to find the probability that there is one of each colour, and there are 2 ways that that could happen. Either we could have R1 and then B2, or we could have B1 and then R2. So let's find the probability of the first option first. So to find the probability that they're one of each colour is probability of R1 and B2 plus the probability of B1 and R2. So multiplying along the branches to find this, we're going to do 5 over 8 multiplied by 3 over 7. 5 over 8 times 3 over 7 plus this multiplying over the branches, 3 over 8 times 5 over 7. So 3 over 8 times 5 over 7. And actually we're going to get the same fraction here, so this is going to be 15 over 56, and this one is also going to be 15 over 56. And so if we add them up, just move all this over here, so if we add them up, then we get 30 over 56. So using the same idea, can you now have a go at doing the next example, which is about socks in a bag?